Hey Slay Gang! Today is another video of me by myself. And I'm in a different area. That's because I'm at my own house. I'm in my bedroom. And today I'm going to be doing slime things. I have my activator and shaving cream just in case it didn't go as planned. And one thing I want to show you guys is what we keep our slime things in, and we keep it in here. We have our shaving cream, our shaving gel, our foam, our glue. We don't have a lot of glue right now. Our saline solution, containers, and just basic things. So let's place that back over here. And I'm just going to be showing you guys my slime collection. So let me show you guys. Okay, so alright, so this is Peep slime. Sorry about the little squeaking, it's because I'm right next to the hamster cage. And this is a little sticky. This is the cream cheese slime. And I'm not too good at slimes, but the slimes we made are really good. They're all like creamy. This is my cream collection because I am going to be selling very soon. So this would be the cream collection. It would be Peep. It would be cream slime. Because we're only going to sell cream slimes. This is Peep. We'll do mixes and stuff, but never. It's always going to be like this, cream. Almost like a butter, but except different. Sorry if the camera's really... Sorry if the camera's really bad. There's probably glare on the yellow, but... I'm gonna be up. Let's listen to the crackles. Let's try to do a different crackle. So this is Peep slime, and it's cream slime. So we have a couple of these because we're selling them in different ounces. This is the same one. I'm just going to show you guys that they're the same thing. Oh, there's this one. Peep slime. I think we have more to check in the restock bin. And no. Nope. So this is our tester slime. This was the first slime we ever thought about selling, but this one we're not selling because it was really bad. This is our first non-cream slime, and it's not good. That's why we're not selling it. But now, we only have one of these because this is a rare slime. So, this was in our gross collection. This is our lime slime. But it's not as stretchy and pokey as the others. But we have a lot of slime, so I'm trying to make this video quick. Next, oh, my bad. We have this slime. what's it called? This is going to be in the cotton candy collection. With pink and blues and a lot of mixes. It's just we haven't made any pink slimes lately, so not that many, but we have, alright, so we had 2 yellows, 1 lime slime, and we have a lot of blue slime. See if we have any more in stock. Nope, no more in stock, but we have 2 of those. Whoa! Okay, sorry about the camera position. Now this is another rare slime. It doesn't have a name, but it's turquoise. It's teal. So. So if you have any names for this teal slime, I'll probably move the lighting a little bit so you guys could kind of see the color. Can you guys see the color a little bit? It's the glare. But I'll try to show you guys what's in my hand. Okay. Okay, so that's that slime. So if you have a name for the slime, comment down below. The next is marshmallow slime, and we have a lot of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, and I just found another, what's it called? Lime slime, but I'm just gonna. But it was actually a thick lime slime, so we didn't add it in the lime. But we have 4 whites. See, 2, 3, 4. Because these are probably going to be most selling. Because just how creamy they are. Flick it and they bubble up a lot. But the marshmallow slime, which is the slime right here, is going to be sold quite a lot. It's marshmallow slime. People can call it cream cheese slime, whatever they want. This is cream cheese slime. I know I said it was marshmallow, but I just actually got them mixed up. This one's actually cream cheese, and the next one I'm going to show you is marshmallow. So we only have 2 cream cheeses and 2 marshmallows. I keep getting them mixed up because they're all white, so I think, oh yeah, they're all marshmallow, but they're not. This is a marshmallow, and you could tell because they're way thicker. And that means they're more rougher. So, like, on camera, you guys can't tell you, like, they look the same. I guess, I mean, how are they different? But they are. And because it's marshmallow, we want to get it nice and thick. But our shaving cream's, like, dead, though. Not dead, because shaving cream doesn't die, but it's... here it is. It's harder, so I would not like, I mean, personally, it's a really nice slime, but I really like the cream cheese and marshmallow because they both foam up at the top. This is another cream cheese. And you can tell because I stretched a lot better and it doesn't rip. And also the way it looks is different, but I didn't realize. We only have one marshmallow. This isn't a marshmallow. Somebody might have... Wait. Yep, it's a marshmallow. Seaweed slime. I'm not a big fan of seaweed slime. I don't know why I made separate containers. But I'm going to mix it. Because they're literally the same exact slime. And the only thing that's different is we only sell cream slimes, but the marshmallow slimes are harder. And some of the slimes are harder, like I said. Some of them are harder than others, that's why I didn't mix them. Like these. This slime and the other slime, I said that because this one's more thicker and stuff. We probably won't be selling those slimes, but they're still good to have around because they're still good, like really, really good slimes. But this slime, we're definitely going to have to be activating. But, people, when you get my slime, you shouldn't activate it with borax. Because borax may ruin your slime. And you don't want your slime ruined. But here's this slime. Hopefully it fits. Because I mixed them. Okay, that's it fits. And we have one slime. It was a... Oh, we have two more slimes. Okay, this is my slime. It's a mermaid slime. And I don't know if I'm going to sell this or if I'm going to keep it to myself. But I'll say no, it's really sticky right now. Sorry about the yelling. I do not even know what that is. I would ask my sisters, but oh no, I'm gonna ask. I'll be right back. You guys are gonna hear me, obviously. Saya! What are you guys watching? Sorry about all the noise. That was just my sister watching my on TV. My show's live. And my cousins. They're fighting. Don't ask me why. They're crazy. But I have to move all these slimes to get to this big old slime. It's humongous. Ooh, it's right in here. Oh God. Oof. I might have to show this one on the floor, but I'm trying not to because I really don't want to. Yeah, I'm going to show it on the floor, I think. No, I'll just... This is a jumbo slime. We might sell it as outside slime, just because it literally has chunks of outside earth and tons of hair in it and everything, but I don't think we're going to sell it. Because we play with this every day. Not like, we do never play with it like this. We just make giant bubbles, but we use it on the floor so it gets really gross, but it's huge. And it looks like the seaweed slime. And no, we did not take it out of a seaweed slime. We're not that stupid. But I'm going to make a slime smoothie really quick. I'm going to use this, but I'm going to take a little bit out of this one. This will be like sunset slime, but nope, it's peep slime. Alright, so now that I have this, I have this blue one right here, and I'm just gonna move that one, and I'm gonna lay this one out. I'm gonna stretch it. Then I'm gonna go like this, and like this. Alright, now it's good. And my mom actually taught me how to make a cute swirl. But this is how some of the slimes will look when you get them. Not swirl. Oh. Sorry guys, my hamster just bit me. Also, I was setting up the camera to show you guys this cute marble slime. My hamster bit me. Stupid, I don't like that hamster anymore. I know it sounds like I'm being really harsh on my hamster, but no, it bit me. It ain't mine. It's my sister's stupid hamster. Okay, but thanks for watching. Make sure to stay lit and stay 100% silly. Bye, guys. Oh, wait. Before I leave, you guys didn't think I was going to forget. Make sure to smash that subscribe button right in the face and ring the bell to be notified every time we post a lit video. But don't forget to stay 100% silly.